Ah, right, I need to press record. Ah, you're just putting the bacon in, are you?
Yeah. You can cut it on pieces, but we're gonna put it full.
Okay.
But this pan is very small. So while this is cooking,
We'll marinate the chicken.
just put some pepper and salt. We're just gonna turn them.
We're using a little bit of oil to make the bacon more crispy, and then we're going to use that same oil to marinate the chicken.
We're gonna just take it
Okay.
from the pan. Now that it's nice color. And then before it's getting smoke all over, we're gonna put the chicken in.
When it's got a nice colour, you flip it over.
And put the fire lower. For the dressing you need egg, Parmesan cheese, oil, vinegar, and
Anchovies in there, a touch of water, and olive oil.
for the dressing we can use the yolks or the full egg. It's not necessary to use a blender, but we could use it. One full egg and one only the yolk. We're gonna add a touch of salt, a touch of vinegar. This is like a basic mayonnaise. You can add lemon and then crushed pepper. I will add a touch of water and we're gonna blend it, but just for 1 second. And now we have to add 3 times the amount of egg. If you have 100 ml of egg, you add 300 ml of oil. It depends
Let's have a
how
look.
thick you want it. We're gonna add like 100 ml more of oil.
Okay. And that will thicken it up.
Yes. 200 ml of vegetable oil.
Okay.
100 ml of olive oil. Let's go. See?
Oh, that's a good texture.
I would like to add some more white vinegar.
Let's
But first, you need to
Ooh.
add anchovies here. That's why we didn't add that much salt in the beginning.
I
Because
see.
anchovies are salty. Cheese too. We love anchovies.
So the only difference between Caesar salad dressing and mayonnaise is just the anchovy, is that correct?
Anchovies and Parmesan cheese.
Oh, and Parmesan
But
cheese.
you can have a
okay.
basic mayonnaise there, and then you can do whatever you want. Yes. So only I'm adding some white vinegar. We're gonna mix this. I think it's looking good. Do you wanna have a
Ooh,
taste?
Yeah, I want a taste. Oh no!
You didn't record anything.
No, it was recording. It just. I think the battery went loose or something. Let me just. Oh, I think it's got most of it. Right, we started recording again. Okay.
Then, where were we?
Ah, you've added some more anchovies to the mayonnaise.
Some more pepper and some Parmesan cheese. Let's play. But this time I don't want to make the anchovies and the cheese mash.
Yeah.
I wanted to feel the texture of them.
Oh, so now you're putting it into the fridge.
Yeah, just for a couple of minutes.
Should we make the croutons in the oven or in this here?
No, in the pot. We're gonna use this bread, that is what we have.
Here we go.
Cut some bread in small pieces. 1 slice is enough for 1 person.
Ah, 2 slices
We
for
have
2
the oil,
people.
which is hot.
Mm.
And then we're gonna fry them. We really need some equipment to cook.
Oh yeah, what do we need?
A pan. So you see that you can do it. Even if you don't have a pan, you can do things. You don't have excuses.
They look colourful.
Well, we're gonna pick the better pieces.
Oh, beautiful.
We're gonna just add some salt.
There's a pepper going on.
I should mix this.
Yeah, let's mix it.
Normally you use Roman lettuce.
But we're using a different type of
We are
lettuce.
using
for
nice,
this.
and we put in this some nice spinach. What we're gonna do is to cut this lettuce by hand. This is the base of the salad, so we need to add plenty lettuce. Also add some spinach on it. We have the lettuce mix, the mix of greens. We're going to add a touch of salt, not too much salt because the dressing has salt already.
Okay.
Some black cracked pepper
Oh, yes.
Okay. We're going to add the dressing.
Oh, there goes the dressing.
Okay. The real Caesar salad needs to be mixed because all the leaves should have the dressing on. I hope it's gonna be nice.
Oh, this is going to be delicious, I can
Okay.
tell.
We have the lettuce with the dressing and we're going to put it on our final plate. Then we're going to put the toppings on top.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Some chicken that we roast in the beginning. Some bacon.
Place it on top.
Then some croutons. Some people like to put some anchovies on it. Plus a final touch,
Oh, yes.
some shavings
Shavings
of
on top.
parmesan.
Oh, yes. Delicious.
And it's like a Caesar salad.
That's how you make a Caesar salad. Ooh. That looks really nice. Yeah. Oh. Shall I eat it?
Yeah, you will.
I should Okay, right, let's have a taste. Oh my gosh, it's so crunchy. Let's have a taste of this. Oh, with a crouton as well. Ooh. Ah, I want a crouton.